Confetti Lantana plants produce flower clusters of yellow, pink, purple, and wine-colored hues in mass. This lantana plant is a pollinator magnet and can be grown in flower beds, patio planters, and many other types of settings. Confetti lantana grows to a mature height of 20 inches tall and spreads up to 4 feet wide. It's hardy in zones 9 through 11, where you need to cut it back by 3/4 each spring to ensure new growth each season. To grow your best confetti lantana plant, follow these 3 easy instructions. First, make sure you keep the soil around your plant well watered and moist, especially in the first month after transplanting. Second, stay on top of your fertilizing schedule. Confetti lantana need to be fertilized once every 2 weeks. And third, grow your plant where it can get lots of sunshine, as lantana loves spots that receive 6 or more hours of sunlight each day. Confetti lantana plants can be grown as companion plants with angelonia, begonias, gaillardias, pentas, and salvia, so be sure to plant accordingly to maximize your flower beds.